Dominique Jordan is the present president of the International Pharmaceutical Federation, what we call as FIP, founded in 1912. Dominique became president in 2018. Before that, he was the president of the community pharmacy section of FIP. Those of us who practice community pharmacy, we all are from a section called the pharmacy practice session, and he was the chair of the board of pharmaceutical practices. Likewise, we have board of pharmaceutical sciences and education. So there is a triad of science, practice and education. He is a Swiss pharmacist and had been the president of the Swiss Pharma and also on boards of medicine in Switzerland, and very, very active leader in promoting the profession of pharmacy. You will hear Dominic speak with so much of passion. A world where everyone benefits from access to safe and effective medicine and pharmaceutical care. It says a lot when it comes to countries like India, where Bijon and I are trying very hard to introduce the universal health coverage. And the mission goes further, and it says, improve global health by supporting the advancement of sciences, practice and education. So with these words, let's hear the video of Dominique Jordan.
From the very start of my term as president, with the active contribution of my team, we turn the talk into action and get to work. Our vision is a world where everyone benefits from access to safe and effective medicines and pharmaceutical care. And our mission is to improve global health by supporting the advancement of pharmaceutical practice, sciences, and education. 6 strategic outcomes set the frame for our work. FIP is unique because no other organizations combine science, education, and practice under one roof. We are the home of the profession globally, and quality is important in all aspects of our profession: pharmaceutical services, scientific evidence and products, and education. In 2020, FIP set up goals for the entire profession for the decade ahead, the FIP development goals. Having a set of 1 FIP development goals enables us to identify commonalities across all areas of FIP, as well as some unique attributes in each area. We believe it is imperative to bring science, practice, and workforce and education together into one transformative framework for our members and the wider profession to clearly set out the goals for development for the next decade. FIP believes that we can have no pharmaceutical care without a pharmaceutical workforce, and we can have no pharmaceutical care without a scientific foundation for the next decade. As you all can see from this slide, for each development goal, we have 3 elements: workforce and education, practice, and science. It is important to have transparent, contemporary, and innovative processes for the quality assurance of needs-based education and training systems. Similarly, it is important to have such processes for monitoring and improving services in practice. Lastly, it is important to assure access to safe and effective medicinal products by assuring quality and integrity in pharmaceutical research, development, manufacturing, and regulation. FIP organized an event for FIP Development Goal 3, Quality Assurance, where we engage with our profession, members, and other stakeholders to describe quality assurance and showcase the tools, evidence, and resources to support Development Goal 3 implementation across the three elements. It is important to ensure that there are strategies and systems in place to utilize the workforce to enhance sustainable pharmacy and service. From the practice element side, it is important to have policies and strategies in place for the sustainability environment and also pharmaceutical service. It is important to have scientific strategies and policies in place to maintain consistent supply of medicinal products. FIP has been working on sustainability for some time. The three broad areas that we focus on are responding to disasters and pandemic, protecting the environment and mitigating the health effects of climate change, and delivering sustainable and safe services. We believe that pharmacists, pharmaceutical scientists, and pharmacy educators are well placed to give meaningful leadership in conquering this challenge. Pharmacists should accept a degree of responsibility for changing the entire medication use process so as to minimize the environmental effects of pharmaceuticals, the entire process of prescribing, dispensing, pharmaceutical care, disposal of unused medication, and ultimately reduction in waste discharge into the environment. We must seize every occasion to advocate for pharmacy, and we must continue to work in solidarity. FIP is here to support you. I thank you for being here to support pharmacy profession in India. Together, we continue to demonstrate the value of our profession, and I thank you all for the efforts you are making each day for the benefit of your populations and pharmacy with trust, solidarity, and action.
I'm very happy to be here, and I can see a lot of stalwarts from different sectors and also our IPA presidents from the past. Thank you very much.